Welcome back, everyone, to Mobile's Buzz 2.0. Today we're diving into the latest on Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, and why its release might be more exclusive than we thought. Hit that subscribe button to stay on top of this story. Samsung's foldable journey. Starting off, Samsung's recent foldable phones haven't wowed the market as expected. Competitors are stepping up, offering better specs at lower prices. But Samsung has something up its sleeve with the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Let's get into it. The Ultra buzz. The rumor mill is buzzing about Samsung's new flagship foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. It's touted to be a game-changer for Samsung, packed with top-tier features. What's the scoop? Let's break it down. Limited release insights. Before you get too excited, there's a catch. Reports suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra might initially launch only in South Korea, with model number SMF958N. What about the rest of the world? We're still searching for clues on its international availability. Speculating on strategy. So, why this cautious approach? It could be Samsung testing the waters in its home market before a global launch. Or perhaps they're syncing it with the development cycle of other models like the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6. Rumors even hint at codenames like Q6A for the pricier models. Market strategy and predictions. With the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, Samsung might be planning a staggered release or focusing on key markets first. This strategy could reflect their larger plan to regain dominance in the foldable market. Let's delve into what this means for Samsung and foldable tech enthusiasts worldwide. As we piece together these updates, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra is shaping up to be an intriguing but elusive device. Will it make a splash in South Korea and then take on the world? Share your thoughts and predictions in the comments. That's all for our coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. For the latest in tech and more in-depth analyses, make sure to subscribe to your channel name. Drop your thoughts below, and I'll see you in the next video.